Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, I have a visit parcel. This has came from Chhattisgarh, Raipur. So let's unbox this one. So we'll check what is inside. So guys, just keep watching my video. Very nice packing. Very nice packing. This is HDL RCF HDL20A model. This is, so there are four like HDL20A module. So like this we got four pieces. This is one, two more down, total four pieces I received for this also repaired by my before in 2024 June. So after 2 years this came for repair. On, I will put it on. Power comes, so it means power supply is okay, and we'll give the input signal. I have given the input signal on the mobile, so I increase the volume. So I should get blink signal light over here, so it is not showing signal light over here. So I increase the volume, still not getting the light. So when I increase the volume, I should feel, it is not, so it means it is not detecting the input signal. See, so it is not detecting input signal, only power light is come, but my song is running. The song is running, so but is not detecting. I increase the volume, still I am not getting the signal light over here. So we'll connect the speaker and check. So we'll connect the speaker and check is sound something coming or not. So there is no sound. Song is running but no sound. But no sound. So this is the problem, my friend. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll put it off. We'll put it off first. I put it off. So we'll remove this one. and check what's the problem inside. Okay, so before applying voltage, just do one thing. Before applying voltage, check all the major electronic components like all ICs, and there are two MOSFETs, L side, LF side, and two MOSFET HF side, and DSP IC, and these two IC, amplifier IC. Overall, just check this one before applying voltage. Okay, so we'll check this one now. So we'll check some voltages, some ohmic test, some ohms. So these are our power supply MOSFETs. Okay, so it means light is on, it means our power supply section is okay. Okay guys, so let's check the high voltage capacitors. Is there any shorting? This is common. Okay, so this okay. So this is high voltage area, this is, and here is the, this is like plus 9 volt minus 9 volt. This is plus 9 volt regulator, so this is okay. No, it's okay. So there is no any shorting. So our both voltage regulators are good, plus 9 and minus 9 volt. And is any shorting here? So there is no shorting over here. Okay guys, so now we'll check the regulator. Is there any shorting? Is there? There is no shorting. No shorting is there. Okay, so these are the two MOSFET, two for LF and two for HF. So we'll check HF here. HF is okay, both MOSFET is okay here. So this good. Now what about this one? So this showing shorting, this MOSFET showing shorting, and this MOSFET is okay. This MOSFET is showing shorting, my friend, and here see, here also showing some shorting. So guys, one MOSFET is shorted here, showing shorting. See, but here is this MOSFET is good. So guys, overall, now what is the problem now? Why there is no sound is coming? Because of one LF side one MOSFET is gone, and HF side one MOSFET is gone, shorting. So what we'll do, we'll replace, we'll take it out both MOSFET and check separately whether our MOSFET is gone or the IC is gone. So after removing out this MOSFET only, we'll come to know exactly whether the MOSFET is the problem or the amplifier IC is the problem. So just we'll try to remove these two MOSFET. So guys, now we'll remove this one. Okay, remove this two MOSFET and we'll check separately. So remove this one. So we'll remove this also. So guys, we have removed both the MOSFETs. So now we'll check the status. So we'll keep on the buzzer range. So guys, MOSFET is gone. Shorted. Both MOSFET is shorted, guys. So this two MOSFET is shorted badly. So just we'll check any shorting is over here. So no shorting is there. So our IC is safe. So no shorting. Okay. So it means our IC is safe. So there is no shorting here. So there is no any shorting over here also. So it means that our amplifier IC is okay. So only the MOSFET we need to N channel MOSFET. The number of this MOSFET is it's IRFB4229. IRFB4229 N channel MOSFET this is. So I got the new MOSFET with me. So we'll check. I got the new MOSFET. So we'll replace this MOSFET with the old one. Okay guys. So I got the new MOSFET IRF4229B. This is the original MOSFET. So now I will replace these two MOSFET with the different. I have replaced the two faulty MOSFET. Okay guys. So now we have already cleaned this one. So now it's time to check. So guys, before applying voltage, just we need to recheck it out. So we'll just recheck this one. Is there any shorting? So this is the MOSFET we have replaced now. So there is no any shorting. So no any shorting. Good. So now before this was showing shorting, so now it is good. So we have replaced if you keep on buzzer range, see there is no shorting. So our IC is safe. So no shorting. So guys, now we'll fix this back and check what is the status. So guys, we'll put it on. Light comes. So it's on. So we'll give the input power. So I have given the input signal. So now light comes. So before this light was not coming. Okay. And we'll give the input signal. Sorry, we'll connect the speaker. This is highs. this is base. So guys, finally we have repaired it. So we have replaced two faulty, this one, okay, the 2N channel MOSFET. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon in next video. Bye.